When I first started walking in 2017, I was about 60, 70 pounds heavier, and walking was really challenging. But I knew my why. I wanted to walk. I was going through a difficult family situation and I needed a way to deal with stress. But it was hard. My knees hurt, my back hurt, sometimes my feet hurt. But I didn't stop. I just readjusted my walking plan so I could acclimatize to this new daily practice that I was doing. I set my daily practice at 4,000 steps, and over time I've increased that as my health got better. I've reduced my weight by those 60, 70 pounds and feel great now. And the point today is that if you've started a daily walking practice and you're finding it a challenge, or you aren't feeling a joyful experience, figure out a way to adjust it for yourself. Figure out your why and change your mindset to that of joy and the love of falling in fitness for yourself. Share your ideas, comments, questions. Please like and share. We invite you to subscribe to our channel, and we'll put the link to our newsletter. We'd love for you to join us. I'm Wendy, wendybottrell.com. Enjoy.